Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Sutton, and welcome back to my Introduction to GIS video series. In this video, we will explore how GIS helps us analyze the dynamic relationship between human activities and the natural environment. Human-environment interaction is a dynamic and multidimensional concept that addresses the relationship between human activities and the natural world. Geographers explore how humans depend on, adapt to, modify, and impact the environment, as well as how the environment influences human activities. In GIS, analyzing these interactions provides insights for sustainable development, resource management, and environmental conservation. Let's examine the key dimensions of human-environment interaction. We will begin with dependence on the environment. Humans rely on natural resources and ecosystems for survival and development. GIS can be used to help us understand this dependence by mapping resource availability, such as freshwater distribution or mineral deposits. We can use GIS to assess ecosystem services like carbon sequestration or pollination. And we can use GIS to identify regions vulnerable to resource scarcity, such as drought-prone areas. Another key dimension of human-environment interaction is adaptation to the environment. Human societies adjust their lifestyles, technologies, and practices to suit environmental conditions. GIS can be used to help understand adaptations by modeling climate adaptation strategies, such as agricultural suitability under changing conditions, or analyzing settlement patterns influenced by terrain, climate, or hazards, or evaluating the success of adaptation measures over time. Humans modify the environment. We actively alter natural landscapes to meet our needs. GIS can be used to help us understand such modifications by monitoring land use and land cover changes through remote sensing, assessing deforestation rates and their impact on biodiversity, or mapping urban sprawl to inform sustainable city planning. There is environmental impact on human activities. GIS can be used to help us understand these impacts by predicting disaster-prone areas using hazard models and spatial analysis, evaluating environmental risks to infrastructure and populations, or planning disaster recovery and mitigation efforts. Finally, there are feedback loops. Interactions between humans and the environment create feedback effects where one influences the other. GIS can be used to help us understand this dependence by modeling feedback loops, such as how deforestation accelerates climate change, or visualizing interactions between agricultural practices and soil degradation. Geographers understand the intricate relationship between human activities and the natural environment. GIS helps us understand these relationships and plays a critical role in creating sustainable solutions for contemporary problems.